Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be reviewing these brand new face palettes from Smashbox. These are the Halo, Sculpt, and Glow face palettes, which I'm beyond excited for. I was really interested in these when they launched last month, and I was like, they're so expensive, so I didn't buy them because you guys know I am reviewing makeup again on my channel. Your girl is back, and I opened up my PR packages yesterday, and I knew one was from Smashbox because it said it on the strip and all that, and I open it and I'm like, oh, she cute. So we have like a mascara, an eyeliner, the photo finish primer, we have a lip and a liner, and then I opened up the other PR package and I'm like, oh my god. My sister was like, wait a minute, why are she recording your face? Because I was in shock that I received these two palettes in PR. Like, I only recently got on Smashbox PR list. These are my third and fourth PR packages, and I'm just like, what is my life? So we're going to be playing around with these. I have Pink Saturation and Back to Cali. I don't know where they really range on the scale of, you know, skin tone, but they look really, really light and perfect for me. So we have this one here, and then we have this one. So I think both of them are going to be perfect for me. So here they are side by side. Are they not adorable? So we're going to go ahead and test out each on my face. So if it's something you're interested in picking up, then you have this review to look at and decide if you want to buy one or not. So anyways, I'm so excited. If you're into these types of videos from me where I try on makeup, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get started. Of course, as always, we're going to be using the blinged brushes today. You can use code Connor, linked in the description, for 20% off your purchase at blingedbrushes.com. So I have all clean brushes here, and we're going to do the pink palette over here and this one over here. So we have Pink Saturation and Back to Cali. So that's how we're going to differentiate which is which. So pink on here, brown on this side. Okay, so in both palettes, this is going to be your highlighting powder. This is going to be your enhancing blush. This is going to be your sculpting blush, and then your contour powder. I've already contoured with the Rare Beauty bronzer stick, so I've already contoured my face. So now to bronze up the skin and all, I'm going to take this fluffy brush from Blinged Brushes, and I'm going to go into this bronzer shade, and I'm just going to start bronzing up the skin. Okay, so far this gives a very soft bronze, which is actually really pretty, so I love that. Now I'm going to go in with the Sculpting Blush right here. I'm going to focus this on the high point of my cheek. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the, what is this called? Enhancing blush. I'm going to pop this right here. Wow, I really like it. Oh, wow, okay. This looks so, like, good. Okay, wow, okay, cool, yeah, okay. This looks so good. Okay, now with the highlighting powder. I don't know if it's going to be like sparkly. Let's just see. Oh my god. Oh, that's so pretty. Obsessed. Okay. This is a win. This is so natural and subtle and like, looks like, I don't know, it just kind of melts into the skin. Okay, this is a win. This is a win. And I'm not just saying that because they sent that to me. Like, I could hate it. And you guys know that I could definitely hate this. But that's a win. Can't wait to continue using. Wow. Time for the Cali side. Contour. Looks kind of the same. Let me get a clean brush over here. I'm going to go with this one. It might be like a hair darker. Wow, this really does melt like butter, man. I'm just gonna add a little bit more so I can bring it up like that. Oh my god, she is good. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's good. Okay, I'm really excited because that's so good. All right, now we're gonna go in the sculpting shade, which is this one right here. We're going to put that on the back portion of the cheek. Nice contour. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I'm in a good mood, okay? I just filmed a video about the Online Makeup Academy, so I'm just like, I'm in a good mood. Plus, this PR package like blew my mind. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the enhancing blush, which I'm going to pop right here. Bring it back. The way it looks so bright on camera, but not in person, is like weird. But here it is. It's cute. It's cute. All right, now let's check out this highlighting powder. Oh my god. Hello? 2016 called. She wants her highlighter back. Like, no, you can't have her. So it says Sculpt with Color, the easiest blushy dimension, featuring the creamiest long-wearing powders ever. New Halo Sculpt and Glow Face Palette, buildable and blendable, smooths and blurs skin, nourishes skin, and lasts all day. And you can buy it at Ulta. I do have to agree, this actually like melts into the skin, and it does have a blurring effect, I'm not gonna lie. And this is really pretty. So I'm definitely gonna be playing with these a whole lot more. I will give you more updates. There will be reels and shorts and TikToks because this is actually really pretty. It looks a little intense, but I think it's because of my lighting. Not gonna lie. We're still working on it. But anyways, this is the first impressions and I love it. And I'm sorry, I'm in a good mood today. Sue me. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!